Hello, writers! Welcome back to Write Like a Pro. Have you ever read a story with a character that felt completely real? Today, you will learn how professional writers create unforgettable characters through character sketch writing. A character sketch is a detailed description of a character. When writing a character sketch, we follow several important steps. Let's learn them one by one. Step 1. Name and basic introduction. First, introduce the character's name and a little background information. Example: Emma was a 12-year-old girl who lived in a peaceful seaside town. This gives the reader a simple introduction to the character. Step 2. Physical appearance. Next, describe the character's appearance. You can describe eyes, hair, complexion, height, body structure, clothing. Vocabulary for eyes: bright eyes, sparkling eyes, deep brown eyes, piercing blue eyes, almond-shaped eyes, gentle eyes. Example: Emma had sparkling green eyes. Vocabulary for hair: curly hair, wavy hair, straight hair, silky hair, shoulder-length hair, jet black hair, golden hair. Example: she had long, wavy brown hair. Vocabulary for complexion: fair complexion, rosy complexion, pale skin, sun-kissed skin, glowing complexion. Example: she had a fair complexion and rosy cheeks. Vocabulary for body structure: tall and slim, short and energetic, lean build, athletic build, graceful posture. Example: Emma was tall and slim. Step 3. Personality traits. Now, describe the character's personality. Personality traits tell us what kind of person the character is. Positive traits: kind, honest, brave, intelligent, hardworking, cheerful, responsible. Negative traits: selfish, impatient, rude, stubborn, careless. Example: Emma was kind, responsible, and hardworking. Step 4. Likes and dislikes. Next, describe what the character likes and dislikes. This makes the character feel more realistic. Example: Emma loved reading books and walking near the beach, but she disliked loud noises and crowded places. Step 5. Actions and behavior. A character can also be described through actions. What does the character usually do? How do they behave around others? Example: she always helped her classmates and spoke politely to everyone. Actions often reveal personality better than simple descriptions. Step 6. Special features or unique qualities. Finally, mention any special features that make the character unique. It could be a habit, a talent, a scar, a special smile, a unique voice, or a memorable feature. Example: Emma had a small silver bracelet that she wore every day because it reminded her of her grandmother. Full character sketch example: Emma was a 12-year-old girl who lived in a peaceful seaside town. She had long, wavy brown hair, sparkling green eyes, and a fair complexion. Tall and slim, she always carried herself gracefully. Emma was kind, responsible, and hardworking. She loved reading books and walking near the beach, but disliked noisy places. She spoke politely, helped others whenever she could, and wore a silver bracelet that was very special to her. A good character sketch helps readers imagine the character clearly, understand their personality, and connect emotionally with the story. Remember to include name, appearance, personality, likes and dislikes, actions, special features. These details bring your characters to life. Great job! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more writing secrets. See you next time!